Today we'll start with the LiAir X4 Plus. Some of you may know the LiAir X4. The X4 Plus is the next integration of that system.
Yes, so what's the main upgrade?
Yeah, so some of the main upgrades is the system is indeed actually smaller than the original X4, but with more capabilities. So we've added 3 different cameras on top of your traditional 26 megapixel photogrammetry based RGB camera.
Yes.
That's one of the key factors. Now we're able to capture 3D GS data as well as a fully integrated handheld system for this as well.
Oh, you mean this one?
Exactly.
Handheld kit.
This system is now just a plug and play with a single battery attached, making it super easy to go from aerial to handheld really quick and fast. So you just take the device, put it on, bam, system is ready to go.
Oh, does the handheld need to be purchased separately?
No, I'm glad you asked that. So it actually does come with the purchase of the system.
Yeah, that's a really good offer.
Our traditional system, there was no direct communication with the app. So that's another benefit is it's now a part of the GreenValley app ecosystem.
Yes.
You can see real-time data from there, one-touch operation, super simple, as well as capitalizing on the 3 new cameras to get very good RGB colorized point clouds, even in a handheld mode. The other benefit of the system is that as soon as you switch it from handheld to the drone, it's automatically ready to go. No switching the platform inside of the software. The true ability to capture a scene, so not just from the air, but from the ground, being able to merge those together seamlessly is really where this system stands apart from our other systems. So you get your airborne data, you get your ground data, all in one, lines up perfectly, and you get your true scene of the scenario.